Pew pew pew, pew pew pew, pew pew pew. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a child. Ciao a tutti. Ciao ciao ciao. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ellen Hinayon, Ellen Traveling Kitchen, and for today's vlog, guys, I am going to show you. Hey lovely friends, this is Ellen, your annoying Ellen, and for today's video, guys, I am going to showcase a different kind of tahong or tahong ni Carla instead of Carla, tahong ni Ellen. Char. Joke. So today, guys, I am going to showcase different kind of recipes and with the protagonist tahong or mussels, guys. So the first step, I am boiling this broth with shrimps and then a couple of tahong in there. Yung ano siya, yung water ng ano that came from tahong itself. So this kind of dish is like a rice soup because we had a dinner last night. The first recipes that you are seeing was with a rice paella by Ellen. So here you go, guys. Just boiled this soup with the scampi as well, 3 pieces of scampi, and then mix. So what I do is I combined the paella rice last night because I don't want to throw away foods, guys, because it's not good that we throw away food. So if ever that you have a leftover, don't throw away, guys. So instead make it in another dishes or combined with another dishes, or maybe you can also eat that the day after if you are more on saving, and then and if you like that, it's okay that you reheat the food. So that's it, guys. And then I add some couple of parsley, and then this is how the trick, guys, to let the juice out from this lime, gorgeous lime, in 2 pieces, guys, for a decoration. And then the rest of it, I'm going to squeeze this together with the rice soup. Then sprinkles, add the parsley, and then the lime of the juice, guys, the one that I sliced a while ago. So second protagonist, the cozze in Italian, or a mushroom, mussels, and tahong in Filipino, tahong, Italian cozze. So voila, here you go, guys. I am going to have a lunch right now, and join me. at my terrace because in Puglia it's 25 degrees. So let's go outside. And then the other way is to combine with a seafood, guys, with a octopus, scampi, tiger prawn, and then with some mussels, guys. So here we go.
Pesce che ci abbiamo finito. So in this recipe, guys, let's go to Philippines. So typical, guys, cooking with a tahong or kotse or mussels in English is a, to us it's a phenomenon that we are used to cook with adobo, minced soup with a soya sauce. So there are these are the ingredients, guys: garlic, onions, ginger, and some onion leaves, and then I am adding with some parsley. And you just do is with olive oil and combine all the spices together and salt for a couple of minutes, 3 to 3 minutes, so it's okay. So this is the last batch of my 1 kilo tahong, guys. It cost me about €4 here in Italy, so I am already cooking for 4 dishes with 1 kilo of kotse or tahong. And then I add some vinegar, of course, because the main ingredients of the adobo is with vinegar. And then we had this kind of brand in Philippines, Dato Puti, is made from sugarcane. But unfortunately in Europe, or I mean in Italy, they usually use with the grapes, guys, or the wine vinegar. And then couple of spices. So the last bits of the tahong, guys, is I am making with a breaded crumbs with all the spices you see on the vlog. Cayenne, salt, pepper, and parsley, and then combine it everything together, and then some olive oil, and then you can put the top of the tahong, guys, and that's it. And then we have a tahong ni Carla by Bake. Joke lang. So this dish, guys, 5 dishes right now, is how to bake mussels or tahong, and then bake for about 170 degrees for about 10 minutes because overcooked 15 minutes, so not good. So let's go back to our adobo. And voila, it's ready now and ready to serve, of course, and then tops with some onion leaves and parsley. Ta-da! So here it is, my adobong tahong, representing Philippines. And now guys, time to plating. And this dish guys is typical here in Italy. It's a baked mussels or tahong. So of course guys, plating. So I really hope so guys that you enjoy the showcase of different kind of tahong or mussels guys in every dish. And the favorite part is mukbang and eating, and enjoy with your family and share with your loved ones.
Non c'è più manco. Ci sono solamente un po' a parte il cazzo, c'è un sacco, c'è un sorpressato profondamente. Cioè c'è solamente un fette di cose. Ah, è una cozza, No, non pensavo che le cose.
Thank you guys for watching. Likes, comments, and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed yet, click the subscriptions and bell buttons. Make a shout out.